I'm going to show you how to make kale salad recipe for the holiday season. Also, I'm going to show you how to use the Grihot product. Sharp knife matter in my kitchen. That's why from now on, I'm going to use only this product. Grihot Knife Shop and keeping my kitchen well organized. Thank you, Grihot, for all those beautiful products. For my Christmas salad, I got 4 cups of kale. I'm going to add olive oil, pinch of salt. I'm going to cut a tomato. My knife is so dull. Let's do something else. I am using Grihot sharp knife. This is the perfect product for you guys. If you have ever chopped with a dull knife, try this. Grihot is the game changer. Oh wow. Kale is ready. Add a pomegranate, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, few olives, tomato slices. Let's make our dressing. I got olive oil. Ooh, we're ready to serve our Christmas perfect salad for every occasion.